Welcome to the Nemo fixed base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the booker rod, the column, the 4-leg base, the spider, 2 washers and 2 nuts. You will need a drill with a 16mm socket, a 16mm spanner and thread lock. Part 1. Place a washer on the end of the booker rod with the nut and apply thread lock. Thread the booker rod through the hole on the spider and secure it by tightening a nut on the end. Position the spider face down and secure the second nut using your fingers and the 16mm spanner. Part 2. Locate the tab on the spider and the tab on the column and place together. Grab the base, line up the tab with the one on the column and thread it over the booker rod. Place a washer on the end, apply thread lock, screw on a nut and tighten with the drill. The Nemo fixed base range comes in a table and dry bar height in both anthracite and white. It features a unique 4-leg style base with adjustable foot glides and is perfect for any outdoor environment.